It's Tuesday morning, 9:15. We just fired off short here at 7:03.2. A little late getting the video started, but we just went short right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this and pick it up periodically. Okay, price is doing the same similar type of thing that it did yesterday in quite a few trades actually, where we entered, and right now we're about -2 points, so that's generally the range that you're allowed to get into, or this allows you to get into better than our entry. So still typical price action here. The price is starting to move back off the highs there. See if we can continue to sell off a little further. Yeah, we're starting to break down out of that little consolidation period we had there, getting closer to our entry price. Yeah, we're slowly breaking down out of this consolidation, up about a point, a little over a point. So see if these lows get taken out with some force here. Well, price is kind of pulled back against us a little bit, down about a point, a little more than a point right now. Had about +1 point, so kind of stuck in a chop right now. Okay, here we are back to our entry. Trying to break back down again. Price is still just kind of chopping around, caught in the mosh, down about 2 points right now from our entry. 7:03.2, about down 2.2 right now. We are definitely in a consolidation here, so let's just see which way it decides to break. Price is pretty much just sitting here on the highs, not really doing a whole lot. You can see the sideways action we've had since our entry at 9:12. It's now about 10:40, so been in about an hour and a half. And max potential we've had about a point and a half. The worst we've been down so far, about 3 points. So definitely caught in a bunch of noise and just waiting this ride out and see how she turns. We've already had one winning trade today taken for about 1.6 points this morning. Let's see here. Yeah, here's the open here, a little gap down. And then we squeezed a short off here and covered here for a little over a point and a half per contract. Then sat out through all this and re-enter back here. So at this point right now we're about even on the day, maybe down just a few ticks, but this trade's still not over yet. Okay, let's see if this can break down here. It looks like we're trying to lose this little support line here. Let's see if this bounce fails at this point, then we head lower. I've got to step away for a moment, so I'll come back here shortly, hopefully not too long, and then follow up with the progress on this trade. Okay, we're back now, and we're still in this trade. Looks like we finally broke this little support line, the trend line here, and kind of a lot of congestion in this zone, and slowly deciding to break down finally. Glad to see that. We're up about 2 points on this trade, so let's see if we can get some blood out of this coming in the last hour of trading here shortly. There we go, we're starting to see some blood here coming on. I'm setting up the dome right now to kind of show you exactly what's going on with that. You can see our entry, well, right here at the 3.2, and our stop now is at the 1.3, so we're locking in 1.9 points on this trade, and that's constantly being adjusted. So Let's see what happens here. Let's kind of watch it. This is just the sim dome to show you. I don't want to show the actual account on this. So I'm just...
Order filled.
Okay, there we're exited. Exited the 701.3. So we locked in another 1.9
Order pending.
points on this trade.